Hi guys. In this video we are going to be looking at how to find the factorial of an integer. So let's go ahead with the program. Hashtag include iostream.h. So iostream.h is actually for cout and scene statements. Hashtag include conio.h. So this is actually used for clear screen and get ch function in this program. And so now we are going with the main part of this program, which is void main. And the body of the program is basically void main. So this main function is what is actually going to be carried out within the program. So we have to do all the logic and all the other stuffs in this main program. Okay. So in the case of finding a factorial of an integer, we need to accept an integer. So we have to declare an integer now, integer a. So this is the integer that we are going to be accepting, integer value that we are going to be accepting, and then f equals 1. We are just initializing it, f with 1, which I'll be explaining you later. For now, just follow the instructions. Cout, enter an integer. Enter integer cin a. So now cout statement. What this does is basically prints enter an integer and then accepts the integer's value to the variable a, and now a has the value of the integer you have entered. Okay, so now having got the value of the integer, now you have to find the factorial of the integer. So now for that to happen, we have to use a loop. For, in this case I'm using a for loop for int I equals 1. So we are initializing I with 1 again, I less than a and I plus plus. So now f. Okay, so before I go, I just have to explain you some of the main logic of this program. So f is actually initialized to the value 1, right? So f is actually initialized with the value 1. So I is given the value 1 here. So in order to find a factorial of an integer, what is the thing which we have to do is that 3 consider there's an integer 3. The accepted integer is 3. So the 3 factorial will be 1 into 2 into 3. So this will give 6. And let's say 4 factorial equals 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, which is equal to 24. So in this case, what you're seeing is very simple, is that for whatever integer you're finding, you have to have a constant value 1. Here in this case you can see 1 and 1, and whatever n integers you have to just start with 1. So that is why you have to have f equals 1. So that is the reason why we have initialized f equals 1. I hope you guys understand. Okay, so now let's proceed with the function, loop. F equals f into I. Okay, so now this loop is executed until I is less than a. Okay, I is less than or equal to a. So now cout factorial of the integer is f. Get ch is basically just used for accepting a character after the program ends, so that it can come to the program screen again. Okay, so now clear screen. Okay, I haven't added clear screen. Clear screen is usually a good function to include in all your programs, because it always freshens up your screen, and I mean the output screen. Okay, so let's test run the program. Now enter an integer, say 3. What's the factorial? Okay, it's right. And now enter an integer, let's say 4. Okay, it's 24. 4 into 3 into 2, which is 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24. So factorial of 4 is 24. So this is the program for the factorial of an integer. And I would also like to say one thing. Make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends so that it can be helpful for them as well. And also subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get instant updates as and when I upload my videos. Thank you.